Bordo updates. Behind the scene nila Barbie at David for Kemans na endorsement nila. And sa post ni Miss Isabel, and iba talaga ang chemistry nila Barbie at David. Adishi, Adelina and Hiroshi ng pulang araw. Ang ganda pa ng smile ng dalawa. Tapos ito pa, batang Adelina at batang Hiroshi. Binigyan sila ng photocard nila Barbie at David. Picture nila Barbie at David, ni Adelina at Hiroshi. Tapos ito may billboard pa nga. Yung kasama si Barbie dyan sa may awards. Second Philippine Fitness Business Awards. Ayan, Outstanding Lead Actress in the Philippines. Ayan, walang iba kundi si Barbie. Congrats kay Barbie.
The Princess of Primetime excels as a leading actress with her captivating performances in GMA 7 Jones. Her portrayal of Clay Infantes in Maria Clara at Ibarra demonstrates her remarkable ability to merge contemporary and historical narratives, solidifying her reputation as a versatile and outstanding lead actress. Once again, Barbie Forteza, the outstanding lead actress in the Philippines.
Yeah. Ito yung picture ni Barbie with Sasha Padilla na nagurado siya sa It's Showtime. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell para update. Ito po ang Mature Reaction Vlog. Bye guys, thank you for watching.